Hello everybody, welcome to the Managerial Economics class. This is Srinivas Dalipatti, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, VSM College, Autonomous, Ramchandrapuram. In the Managerial Economics, Unit 5, Macroeconomic Analysis, today we are going to discuss about national income. Very interesting and important topic. Listen and analyze carefully. What is national income? Here today we are discussing about contents, introduction, concept of national income, methods of measuring national income, importance of measuring national income, challenges in measuring national income. Let us see what is national income. National income measures the total value of goods and services product within the economic during the course of a year. National income measures to the total value of goods and services produced within the economy during the course of a year. The labor and capital of a country acting upon its nature resources produces annually a certain amount of net aggregate of commodities, material and immaterial, including services of all kinds, according to Professor Marshall. The labor and capital of a country acting upon its natural resources produce annually a certain amount of net aggregated commodities, material and immaterial, including services of all kinds. It is called national income. National income means the value of goods and services. National income is the value of goods and services produced by a country during a financial year. It is net result of all economic activities of any country during a period of 1 year, and it is valued in terms of money. Once again, national income means the value of goods and services produced by a country during a financial year. It is net result of all economic activity of any country during a period 1 year, and it is valued in terms of money. National income is an uncertain term and it's often used to interchangeably with a national dividend, national output and national expenditure. We can understand this concept by understanding the national income definitions. Let us see. Concepts of national incomes. What are the concepts of national income? So very important. Observe and analyze carefully. Concept of national income: gross domestic product (GDP) and net domestic product (NDP), gross national product (GNP), net national product (NNP), national income at factor cost (NIFC), national income at factor cost (NIFC), personal income (PI), and disposable personal income (DPI). Disposable personal income DPI. What are the concepts of national income? Let us see once again. Gross domestic product GDP, net domestic product NDP, gross national product GNP, and net national product NNP, national income at factor cost NIFC, and personal income PI, and disposable personal income DPI. Let us see one by one. Gross domestic product GDP. What is GDP? Before going to the GDP, let us remind one thing. Gross national product GNP. Gross national product GNP. Final goods and services producing a particular year called as national income. GNP equals to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. That is, C means consumer goods, and I means investment goods, and G means government expenses, X means exports, and M means imports. That is GNP, gross national production, that is equals to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. Next, coming to the gross domestic product GDP. GDP is aggregate money value of the final value of the goods and services product produced in the domestic territory of a country during a financial year. GDP is the aggregate money value of the all final value of goods and services produced in the domestic territory of a country during a financial year. GDP equals to consumer expenditure plus investment expenditure plus government expenditure. GDP equals to consumer expenditures, consumer expenditure plus investment expenditure plus government expenditure. C plus I plus G, that is C plus I plus G, and X minus M, X minus M, that is exports minus imports. Okay, so non-domestic product NDP, net domestic product NDP. What is net domestic product? NDP refers the market value of final goods services turned out in the economy during a given period of time after time making allowance for depreciation charges. NDP equals to GDP minus depreciation charges. What is net domestic production equals to gross domestic production minus depreciation charges, that is net domestic production. And gross national product, we will discuss about earlier. GNP, gross national product, is defined as total market value of final goods and services produced in a country in an year's time. GNP equals to GDP plus X minus M. GNP equals to GDP plus X minus M. X equals to income earned by the national abroad, and M equals to income earned by the foreigners the given country. And net national product NNP. What is NNP? Net national product. And NNP is the market value of net output final goods and services produced by the country during the relevant income period. During the relevant income period, NNP equals to GNP minus depreciation charges. NNP equals to NDP plus X minus M. NNP equals to gives a idea net increases to total production of the country. Simply said, NNP equals to GNP minus depreciation. NNP equals to GNP minus depreciation. And national income at factor cost. What is national income at factor cost? That is NCP, national income at factor cost, NIFC. NI at factor cost refers to all incomes earned by resources owners factor of production for their contribution to production in different goods and services in a year. National income equals to national income factor at cost equals to NNP minus indirect taxes plus subsidies, and this concept throws light of the distribution side national output. And personal income. What is personal income? What is personal income? Personal income is the sum of all incomes all received by the individuals and households during 1 year. Personal income equals to NI minus corporation income taxes minus undistributed profit minus social security contribution plus transfer of payments. This concept helps to know the potential purchasing power of the people and household and their welfare of the consumer in society. That is personal income, PI. And disposable personal income, DPI. What is disposable personal income? Disposable personal income is the part of personal income which is left after the payment of personal direct taxes. The income which is ready to spend, ready for spending, that is called the income is which is ready for the spending. DPI, disposable income, equals to personal income minus personal direct taxes. DPI equals to consumption plus saving. Consumption plus saving. This concept indicates the purchasing power in the hands of the people and their actual living standards. Their actual living standards. And methods of measuring national income. Before going to that, what we discuss? Let us see what we discuss. So national income. What is national income? Contains introduction concept of national income. National income measures the total value of goods and services produced within a economy during the course of a year. What is national income? National income means the value of goods and services produced by a country during a financial year. It is the net result of all economic activities of any country during a period of 1 year, and it valued in terms of money. National income is uncertain term and it is often used intangible with the national dividend, national output and national expenditure. We can understand this concept by understanding the national income definitions and concept of national incomes. GDP, gross domestic product, net domestic product, NDP, gross national product, GNP, and net national product, NNP. National income at factor cost, NIC, NFC, personal income, PI, and disposable personal income, DPI. Now coming to the measuring in national income methods. Methods of measuring national income. First one, product method, next income method, and third one is expenditure method. Importance of national income. Know the production performance and achievements. With the national income, we know the production and performance achievement and indicates the living standards of the people. Know whether country is growing, starting or declining, and shows the contribution of made by the various sectors to NI national income. Know the purchasing power of money. Know the purchasing power of the money. And importance of measuring national income. Containing figures of consumption, saving, investment, imports and exports. National income containing figures of consumption, savings, investment, import and exports, and known relative roles are played by the public and private sector. Public and private sector helps central government to decide amount of grants in aids to different state governments, and valuable guides to the formulate economic policies, and reveals the syllabic behavior of an economy and also help in forecasting. Now, so challenges in measuring national income. What are the challenges in measuring the national income? Theoretical or conceptual difficulties. Theoretical or conceptual difficulties. Definition of the term nation in the national income. Definition of the term nation in the national income. Choice of method for measuring the national income. Choice of the method for measuring the national income. Only goods and services having monetary value included, and stage at with national income is estimated. State at which national income is estimated. And practical or statistical difficulties. What is practical or statistical difficulties? Non-availability of data. There is no full data is not available, and absence of trained personnel and absence of proper records, and existence of non-monetized sector, absence of occupational specialization, absence of occupational specializations, and practical or statistical difficulties, problem and double counting, problem of double counting, and existence of illegal earnings, and also existence of non-market transactions, and coverage of commodities and services, coverage of commodities and services. So these are the challenges. So let us see what we cover in this class. From the first, national income, contents, introduction, concept and of national income, methods of measuring national income, importance of measuring national income, challenges in measuring national income. National income and concepts of national income, they are gross domestic product, GDP, net domestic product, NDP, gross national product, GNP, net national product, NNP, and national income factor cost, NSFC, and personal income, PI, and disposable personal income, DPI. So what is the gross domestic production? The production which is counted in the financial year. GDP is C plus I plus G, only X minus M. Next, net domestic product. The depreciation, the net domestic production, NDP refers the market value all the final goods and services turned around the economy during the 5 given period of the after making allowance of depreciation. That is NDP is equal to GDP minus depreciation charges. And what not there? Let us see what is not here. The personal income, national income factor, and disposable income. Real national income. What is real national income? Is not here. Real national income, the income of the country which is calculated based in the real national income, that is real product, not based on the price. It is based on the production, calculated based on the production base. That is real national income, RNI. So through this all the GDP, concepts of national income, and what are the methods of measuring national income: product method, income method, and expenditure method. So, and importance of national income and importance of measuring national income, challenges faced in the measuring national income. In this class we have understood the concept of national income. So measuring GDP, how to national income and welfare. For the measurements, the GDP measure of the GDP typically exclude unpaid economic activity, most importantly domestic work such as this lead destruction. For example, a paid nanny income contributes the GDP. So these are the consequences and challenges faced by the calculation in the national income. So market value, measure of national income and output. A variety of measures of national income and output are used in economics to estimate the total economic activity in the country of a region. It includes gross domestic product, GDP, gross national product, GNP, net national income, NNI, and adjusted national income, NNI, and adjusted national resource depletion, are also called NNI, factor cost, all are specified concerned by the which conducting total amount of goods and services produced within a economy by various sectors. The boundaries usually defined geographically or citizenship, and it is also defined as the total income of the nation, and also restrict of the goods and services that are the counted. For instance, some measures of country count also goods and services that are exchanged for money, excluding barter goods, while other measure of many attempt of including bartered goods by the inputting monitoring values them. These are the national income counting or measuring methods. I think you understood this class. Still, if you have any doubt, please comment below. We'll meet in the next class with another topic. Thank you. Thank you so much.